Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the display. Now we have to scroll down in order to find this section with the navigation bar option at the very bottom. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose. So currently we've got the buttons applied, and if you will decide that you want to stick with this option, then you can customize it here. So you can reorder the buttons, you can change the position of the back button and the recents. But if you'd like to use the gestures, just tap on this option. As you can see we've got the animation here of how to use it. What's more, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So first of all, we can decide if we want to have this one line here or three different lines which will be responsible for, let's say, the back buttons. So I will stick with this option. I really prefer to have it set. Here you can change the gesture sensitivity, which means that simply you can set it lower or higher, and as you can see it simply means that you can make you can make the area which is responsible for catching, let's say, your gestures bigger or smaller. It's up to you. I will stick with the default option. So let me get back, because under it we've got also the gesture hint and show button to hide keyboard. It's up to you. It's up to you if you want to keep them turned on or off. You can simply tap on this switcher in order to turn it off, and I personally prefer to have the gesture hint turned off, so that's why I will keep it. What's more, you've got switch apps when hint hidden. Again, it's up to you. So of course you've got the animation of how to use this mode, but I will of course show you and explain it. So if you want to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of the screen, and as you can see the small arrow will appear. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side. All you have to do is to simply swipe, see the arrow and release the finger, and as you can see we will get back to the previous page. If you'd like to go back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, from the very bottom, and as you can see here we've got the home screen. If you'd like to open the recents, just swipe your finger and hold it somewhere here, just like that, and as you can see here we've got previously opened apps. So actually this is it. This is how to change the navigation type to the gestures in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.